Good morning. Are you feeling in the pink today? I certainly am. Diane and Denmark here, rah rah rah, and thanks for joining me again. We are on to day 4, can you believe it, of our 5-day, 5-minute declutter challenge. Today I'm in Flylady zone 4, which is the master bedroom. Remember, you can work anywhere you want. As always, I've got lots of ideas on my blog of things that you can declutter or clean in this area. And if you want me to clean along with you and organise along with you, I've got a whole load of 15-minute videos. I'll put the playlist up there. But anyway, I have another busy day, lots of coaching clients back to back. So I'll make this as quick as possible. I've got a few items from yesterday. You saw I was working in the garden shed, but later on in the day I found these. Now these are my Swedish language notebooks and course books and my notes. I no longer go to Swedish classes, and I don't think I'm going to be going to Swedish classes again. I watch Swedish television. We have the house in Sweden, so I speak Swedish when I'm in the stores there. So all of these are going to be passed on. So that's a little bonus from yesterday. Oh, and thanks for posting your pictures yesterday on Facebook, on my Facebook page, on Instagram. It's also given me some ideas for tomorrow. But anyway, on with the stuff from zone 4. Right, and in the 5 minutes, I actually found quite a lot of hair accessories, hair stuff. And I didn't find them in here. They were in the guest bedroom. And the thing was, I was looking at my hair tongs this morning. I'll show you the ones that I've got. Now, these hair tongs, I got these for free at my daughter's apartment here in Denmark. You know, we like to recycle and stuff. And where my daughter's apartment is, they have a big area for the recycling bins and for the rubbish. And it's underneath a kind of covered area, and there's shelves there. And it's a bit like the clothes swap thing that we do with me and my friends. If you've got something that you're not using anymore, but it's too good to put it in the recycling, you can put it on the shelf, and there are books there, there's household stuff. And we were putting things there when she moved into her apartment, and I spotted these. So I took these curling tongs, and actually they're really good. So I'm going to let go of the ones that I previously had and some other ones. Like I got this one a few years back, but it's one of those ones that it's a wand thing. It's really difficult to use, and it's probably better if you've got long hair. I've just kind of got the short hair, and I like to flip it up a wee bit, and you can see I've got lots of grey coming in. I never colour my hair. I love my grey hair. I've got my kind of grey halo. So this one is going, and also this one, I've had this, and it was bought in John Lewis in Edinburgh, probably just the time that I went to work in Luxembourg in the early 1990s. You can see that the looks then, and I always thought she just looked so fantastic. Anyway, this one I'm not going to be using again. It's got all the attachments. It's got a British plug on it, but I'm going to take that to our next close swap, because lots of the British ladies will have, you know, British adapters. So that's going. And this is the final one that was hiding. This is one that I got with points for free from the local, kind of like the chemist drugstore thing. And it was quite fun. I don't know if you can see, it's a little mini thing, and it does the, what do you call it? What's the name? You know, that the 80s hair, oh, crimp. I was going to say crinkle cut, that's chips. When you would crimp your hair. And we've used it for a couple of parties, but I think it'd be fantastic on somebody who's got like really long hair and who likes to dress up. I'm thinking, my type 1 friend, Erica from America, I'm thinking that she might like that, because she dresses up quite often for parties, and she's got long, beautiful hair. So I'll ask Erica if she wants those. And then when I was in the guest bedroom, I spotted another couple of things. These little like night lights that we used to use when we had like babies in the house and little toddlers. That's not in our future, and all our friends, their kids are kind of older now. I'm going to keep one, and the other 2 are going. Woo! And a book that I got at the last clothes swap, I've read it. It's going to somebody else. So over to you, 5 minutes. Go declutter something in the master bedroom. It could be makeup, it could be clothes. I'm wearing a little scarf today and feeling very, very in the pink after yesterday's crazy snow. Anyway, post your pictures. I will be cheering you on with my pom-poms. Rah, rah, rah. And I'm looking forward to seeing you tomorrow, because tomorrow, Friday, final day, day 5, I've got a little surprise for you. So anyway, live long and prosper. May the 5-minute decluttering Danish hygge be with you, and I'll see you very soon with that rah, rah, rah. Woohoo! Go us!